Tongue and groove joints. These are commonly used in woodworking to create a secure and tight-fitting connection between two pieces of wood. This joint consists of a protrusion tongue on one edge of a board and a corresponding groove or channel on the opposite edge of the mating board. The tongue fits into the groove, creating a flush and interlocking joint. Here's a brief overview of tongue and groove joints and how to make them. Prepare the wood, cut the pieces of wood to the desired length, mark the joint, determine which edge of each board will have the tongue and which will have the groove. Mark the locations on the edges where the tongue and groove will be created. Typically, the tongue is located on the end or the side of one board, while the groove is cut into the corresponding edge of other board. Use a table saw or router with a tongue and groove cutter to cut the tongue on one edge of the board. If using a table saw, set the blade height to match the desired thickness of the tongue and adjust the fence to position the blade at correct distance from the edge. Run the board through the saw, making multiple passes if needed to create the tongue. To create the groove, use a table saw or router with a groove cutter. Adjust the blade or cutter width to match the thickness of the tongue and set the height to match the desired depth and groove. Run the other board through the saw or router, ensuring that groove aligns with the previously cut tongue. Once the tongue and groove are cut, test the fit by joining the two pieces of wood together. The tongue should fit snugly into the groove, creating a flush surface. Apply glue on both surfaces and join the two pieces of wood together. Tongue and groove joints provide excellent alignment and strength, preventing movement between the connected pieces of wood. This type of joint is commonly used in flooring, paneling, and cabinetry. When creating tongue and groove joints, ensure the tongue and groove dimensions match precisely to achieve a tight fit. Use appropriate safety equipment and take your time to make accurate cuts for a successful and secure joint.